My topic is event marketing and sponsorships in detail explained, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Event marketing and sponsorships involve promoting and supporting events or activities as a way to reach and engage with a target audience. Companies and brands often sponsor events to increase their visibility, build brand awareness, and connect with their target market in a more experiential and interactive way. Types of events. Events can vary in size and nature, ranging from large-scale conferences, trade shows, and music festivals to local community events, charity fundraisers, and sports tournaments. Companies choose events that align with their target audience and brand values. Benefits of event marketing. Event marketing provides several advantages, such as brand exposure. Sponsoring an event can give a company significant exposure to a relevant audience, increasing brand awareness. Targeted reach. Events often attract specific demographics or interest groups, allowing companies to target their desired audience more effectively. Engaging experiences. Events offer opportunities for face-to-face interactions, product demonstrations, and immersive experiences, creating a deeper connection with attendees. Networking. Events provide platforms for networking and building relationships with industry professionals, potential customers, and partners. Content generation. Events generate content for social media, blog posts, videos, and other marketing materials, which can be repurposed to extend the event's impact beyond its duration. Sponsorship options. Companies can choose different levels of sponsorship, such as title sponsorship, presenting sponsorship, or specific area/experience sponsorship within an event. Each level offers varying benefits and exposure opportunities. Activation strategies. Effective event sponsorships involve strategic activation plans to maximize the impact. This may include setting up branded booths, distributing promotional materials, organizing contests or giveaways, hosting speaking engagements or workshops, or creating interactive experiences for attendees. Measurement and evaluation. It's crucial to measure the success of event marketing and sponsorships. Companies can track metrics like brand impressions, lead generation, social media engagement, website traffic, sales conversions, and post-event surveys to assess the return on investment, ROI, and the overall impact of the sponsorship. Legal considerations. When engaging in event marketing and sponsorships, it's essential to consider legal aspects such as contract negotiations, compliance with advertising regulations, intellectual property rights, and any necessary permits or licenses. Event marketing refers to the promotion of a brand, product, or service through live events such as conferences, trade shows, exhibitions, seminars, concerts, or sports events. It involves creating a memorable experience for attendees and leveraging the event as a platform to engage with the target audience, generate leads, build brand awareness, and drive sales. Sponsorship, on the other hand, is a form of partnership between a brand and an event, where the brand provides financial support or resources in exchange for promotional opportunities and association with the event. Sponsors can gain visibility, brand recognition, and access to the event's audience by having their brand logo displayed, participating in on-site activations, hosting branded experiences, or sponsoring specific event components such as stages, booths, or sessions. Event marketing and sponsorships go hand in hand, as sponsors play a crucial role in funding and enhancing the event experience, while event organizers provide valuable marketing platforms for sponsors. Some benefits of event marketing and sponsorships include brand exposure. Events provide an opportunity to showcase your brand to a targeted audience and gain exposure. Sponsors can leverage event-related advertising, signage, collateral, and digital promotions to increase brand visibility. Audience engagement. Events allow for direct interaction with attendees, enabling sponsors to engage with potential customers through product demonstrations, experiential marketing, contests, or giveaways. Networking and lead generation. Events attract industry professionals, potential clients, and key decision-makers, providing an opportunity for sponsors to build relationships and generate leads. Brand association. By aligning with reputable and relevant events, sponsors can enhance their brand image and credibility through positive association. Data collection. Events offer the opportunity to collect valuable customer data through registrations, surveys, and lead capture mechanisms, enabling sponsors to further refine their marketing efforts. Content creation. Events provide a rich source of content for sponsors to share on their digital platforms, including social media, websites, and newsletters, thereby extending the reach and longevity of the sponsorship. When planning event marketing and sponsorships, it's important to carefully select events that align with your target audience and brand values. Additionally, clear objectives, effective activation strategies, and proper evaluation mechanisms should be in place to measure the success of the sponsorship and its impact on marketing goals. Event sponsorship. This involves providing financial or in-kind support to an event in exchange for brand visibility and recognition. Sponsors often receive prominent placement of their logos, branding materials, and promotional messages throughout the event. This form of sponsorship can range from local community events to large-scale international conferences. Hosted events. Companies can organize their own events to directly engage with their target audience. These events can include product launches, trade shows, seminars, conferences, workshops, and more. Hosting an event allows businesses to showcase their expertise, products, or services while providing a unique and personalized experience to attendees. Branding and exposure. Event marketing and sponsorships offer the opportunity for extensive branding and exposure. By associating with popular or relevant events, brands can increase their visibility and reach a larger audience. The presence of branding elements such as banners, signage, promotional materials, and logo placements helps reinforce brand recognition and recall. Targeted audience engagement. Events provide a platform for direct engagement with the target audience. Attendees are often interested in the event's theme or industry, making it easier for brands to connect with potential customers. Companies can interact with attendees through demonstrations, product showcases, interactive activities, contests, and one-on-one conversations to create a memorable brand experience. Relationship building. Events and sponsorships allow businesses to establish and strengthen relationships with key stakeholders, including customers, partners, industry influencers, and the media. Face-to-face interactions at events create a personal connection, fostering trust and loyalty. Networking opportunities can lead to valuable partnerships, collaborations, and referrals. Measurable results. Event marketing and sponsorships can be measured through various metrics, including attendance numbers, lead generation, social media engagement, media coverage, brand mentions, surveys, and post-event feedback. These insights help evaluate the success of the marketing efforts and inform future strategies. Overall, event marketing and sponsorships offer a dynamic way for businesses to engage their target audience, raise brand awareness, and achieve specific marketing objectives. It allows brands to create memorable experiences, build relationships, and generate meaningful connections in a more personalized and interactive setting. It is important to carefully select events and sponsorships that align with the brand's target audience, values, and marketing objectives. A well-executed event marketing and sponsorship strategy can yield significant returns on investment and contribute to a brand's. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.